Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, dear brothers and sisters. Today's video is going to be about the different shapes of a certain letter when it is at the beginning of the word, as the middle, or at the end. Let's go. Alif as the beginning of the word, alif as the middle or at the end. Ba as the beginning, as the middle, and ba at the end. Ta as the beginning, as the middle, and at the end. Tha at the beginning, at the middle, and tha at the end. Jim as the beginning without a tail, as you see. Jim as the middle and Jim as the end. It has a tail. Ha is the same thing like Jim as the beginning, as the middle, and at the end. The same thing for Ha as the beginning, as the middle, and at the end. Dal and Dal are the same. So at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end. It's the same. Dal, yeah, the same thing like Dal, but it has one dot. Ra at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end. Zai, it's the same thing like Ra, but it has one dot, as we have already studied in the video of letters. Sin, it's like three looking upside. Sin at the beginning, sin at the middle, and sin at the end. It has a tail. Sheen, the same thing like sin, as the beginning, as the middle. It has three dots, and at the end. Sad, it's like sin, but it's thicker. So, not s. As the beginning, as the middle, and at the end. It has a tail at the end. Dot, the same thing like sad, but it has one dot. Dot at the beginning, dot at the middle, and dot at the end. It has a tail. Now these two letters don't have the tail, even they are at the end. Ta and dha. So ta at the beginning, ta at the middle, and ta at the end without a tail. Dha, the same thing like ta at the beginning with a dot always, dha, and at the middle and at the end without a tail. Ain, ain, at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end it has a tail. Ghain, at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end. So ghain is the same thing like ain. Fa is like qaf, but it has just one dot. Qaf has two dots. So fa as the beginning, fa as the middle, and fa at the end. Qaf, same thing like fa, at the beginning, as the middle, and qaf at the end. Qa, qa. And kaf, kaf at the beginning, kaf at the middle, and kaf at the end. It has hamza. Lam, at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end. Mim, at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end. Noon, noon at the beginning, it's like that, at the middle, and at the end. Ha, at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end. Wow, at the beginning of the word, at the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. Yeah, the last letter, at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end.